Hey guys, welcome again. So here I'm going to show you on how you're going to set up your tracking. Okay, this is the first time, maybe this is a new account, totally new. Okay, then you need to set up your tracking. Either you want to buy traffic through solo ads or other way. So you need to set up your tracking link, either to give to the seller in order to promote your link, so that you need to track in how many click you receive, how many opt-in. So this video is all about that. First, if you log in, then what you need to do is just go to link. Okay, real quick, go to link. Here you will see different type of link. Okay, even though I have in one of the group here, I don't know, I have in, or either look on all link groups. Okay, so what I'm suggesting for you right now is to ensure that you create a group. Either you promote a certain offer, so you need to track in that landing page about that offer. So what you gotta do here, we need to go to click create a group. As you can see here, all link groups. So here we're going to click here so that we can create a new group. Okay, here I'm suggesting is you need to organize the way you're working. Okay, don't just go and create a link. At the end of the day, you're going to lose track. That is what my aim for this video is all about. So what you gotta do is go and create a group. For example, maybe I promote a certain offer, so I'm going to say maybe I give out a certain free report, maybe that $20 in 20 minutes. Okay, that is one of the reports maybe I give out to people. So I'm creating a group about that about that report. So here I'm just going to click create a group. Okay, so I need to track in every step, guys. That is all about. So link group created successful. You can even create a sub. Okay, as you can see, new link sub group. You can even create, what is this all about? Is this from solo ads? Okay, maybe is this from other Facebook? Maybe is this link for other stuff? Okay, even though I know there's a lot of things which you need to do. So you need to create in either a subgroup about that offer, but for me I'm just going to leave it as it is. Okay, because I want to be specific. That is the only offer which I'm tracking here. So after doing that, then go to link. Okay, in links here, as you can see, you're going to select in the group in which you creating earlier. Okay, which you create earlier, then just go and click it drop down here. Okay, and then you're going to list all the group which you create. Then click that. Then here you're going to see nothing because you don't creating a link. So here is where you starting creating a tracking link. That is the place which you need to go. So what you're going to do is just go click create a new link. So here I'm talking about creating your capture page. That is a you tracking a link for your solo ads traffic. Okay, that is a let me show you one time. Okay, not this one. Okay, this is your thank you page. I'm using InstaBuilder, by the way, to creating this. You can either use ClickFunnels. Okay, I also use ClickFunnels in some other market area. You can also use InstaBuilder and plugin, which you can do. And also ClickFunnels, there's nothing, they don't need a website, but you can create it on their own hosting, which is nothing to worry. So here, this is your capture page. Okay, either opt-in page. So you need to know how many people opt in into this page. Okay, you need to know how many people opt in here. So here is the link which you need to go to give the seller to promote. So for example, here, let me copy this. This is a capture page. Okay, so let's go to tracking. I don't know, is this one? Okay, here I'm going to name it maybe a landing page. Okay, this is a landing page for this offer. Okay, I think you understand there. That's why this offer, $20 in 20 minutes. Okay, that is a free report. So I'm creating for that. Then here, you can do whatever you like here. Okay, maybe this is a landing page. Cool, you can do whatever you like, but maybe you can give it a name, another name, because you give to either a certain solo ad seller, you can use their own name. Okay, maybe Jack. Okay, and how many click? Maybe 100 click, 100 clicking, and give even the date on that day, maybe first, maybe January. Okay, just like that, maybe January. Then here you can still give it a name, maybe Jack. Okay, 100 click, just like that. And then here you put your primary URL, which is your tracking, your capture page, and you need to track how many click. Is it true that they delivered 100 click into your capture page? Then this is where you put in your capture page. After that, there's nothing to do here more. Then just click create link. Okay, create link. I'm pretty sure that you already creating your landing page. Another thing here you're going to do is you also already creating your thank you page. Okay, just like mine here, I think I create my thank you page. This one, okay, this one, let's go and visit it direct here. This is my thank you page, which I already create. So I needed to track in how many people opt in. Okay, how many people put their email in my capture page. Okay, this is the capture page which I give the seller. I want to track how many click I receive. Okay, maybe those 100 click. Okay, I already say here that maybe Jack sent me 100 clicks, so I need to know how many click I receive, total click, unique click, flagged click, action click, acquisition, okay, and blah blah. So I need to know how many people take action. Okay, how many people I receive 100 click. I need to know. That's why you need to track in your capture page for the solo seller. Okay, and when they opt in here, you need to track in your what I'm saying, you need to track in your thank you page. So here we're going to create another link, so as we can track how many people opt in, how many people take action. So guys, stay tuned for the next video. If you don't understand somewhere, okay, feel free to hit me up, or other thing. Okay, questioning, I love questioning. I love to know if you have a problem. Okay, so guys, that is what it is. So the next thing, when you click this, the next thing is you're going to share this tracking link to your solo provider. So this is their tracking link which you're going to give them. Okay, you're going to give them, and here you can see how many people click it. So guys, see you on the next video.